At some point, you may wish to clean or replace your heater cover. This is a simple process that has been recently made simpler by the addition of our new spring-loaded heater cover stand. This video will provide you with instructions on how to replace your heater cover no matter which style you have. Please make sure your Silver Surfer has been turned off and unplugged for at least 30 minutes before attempting to do any maintenance. After this time, hold your hand directly over the vape to see if any more heat is emanating from it. If there is, wait another 30 or until it is completely cool to the touch. Please note, the heater cover post mount may or may not contain metal shims that are extremely sharp and should only be inserted or removed with pliers. Once the vaporizer has completely cooled, you may remove the old heater cover. Simply and gently pull straight up until the heater cover releases from its stand. A slight back and forth motion may be required as you are pulling up. Use gentle but firm force, but if the heater cover just does not seem to want to move, send the unit back to us. Please do not risk injury. As mentioned before, metal shims may have been used on your unit and may have fallen out while removing the heater cover. They may still be inside of the unit. If the heater cover cracks or breaks in any way, please use thick work gloves to safely handle the broken glass. If a piece of heater cover is still on the post, please use pliers to try and remove it. Inspect the inside of your vape for any remaining pieces and be sure to dispose of all broken glass safely. If your heater cover fits too tightly or is fitting loose, a simple adjustment may be all you need. This generally only applies to our older model of stand, not our current version. A loose heater cover can be fixed by first removing the heater cover. The metal sleeve may become stuck inside of it, so using your pliers, pull and slide the sleeve on out. Now, still using pliers, put them inside of the sleeve and open them up like so as to widen the sleeve. You may now place it back onto the stand. You may need to pull up on the heating element itself if it slid down during this process. Taking your pliers, place a metal shim in between the outer sleeve and the stand itself as a spacer, like so. If your heater cover fits too tight, do the opposite. Remove the shim and tighten up the metal sleeve. You may now remount your heater cover. Be sure that the heating element is not touching the top of your glass. If it is, using the pick that came with your vaporizer, go through the opening of the heater cover and push down onto the top of the heating element just far enough to where it is not touching any glass. For our newer model of heater cover stands, this process is much simpler. To remove the heater cover, simply pull straight up using gentle but firm force until it slides off of its stand. Notice the retaining clip that keeps the heater cover secured to the stand. If your replacement heater cover does not fit when remounting, using pliers, squeeze in the sides of the stand like so until it slides on with a snug fit. Again, use firm but gentle pressure and stop when the heater cover has made contact with the bottom of the stand or the screws on the disc. For any questions or any more information, please visit our website. Thanks for riding the wave.